In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if Snipping Tool is now working in Windows 11. This is a quick and easy solution. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead, right-click on the Start menu, and then just go ahead, click on Settings, as you can see. Then the Settings window will open up for you. Go ahead, click on Apps, and then click on Installed Apps. After that, just type in snip, E-S-N-I-P, then go ahead, click on the three dots on the Snipping Tool, and click on Advanced Options to open up the options. Now just scroll down. Under Reset, now you will find Repair button. Go ahead, click on that, and just give it some time. This repair works out if this app isn't working right now, and this app data wouldn't be affected. Now click on the Research button as well. This will permanently delete some data the app has and just give it a couple of seconds to take action. And after that, just go ahead, close out of Settings, and just open up your Snipping Tool to see if it's working good for you. Now click on Open. As you can see, the snip and tool is working perfectly fine for me. But if you still have any problems, just go ahead, open up your Microsoft Store and try to install the SNNIP and tool or to reinstall it. Go ahead, type in eSNIP and tool. Click on the first option and then choose the SNNIP and tool that's already installed in your computer. And then after that, you will install this app. Just go ahead to your settings again. Then click on Apps and click on Installed Apps. Now type in SNNIP, then click on the 3 points and click on Uninstall. So after an install in the app, all you have to do to reinstall the Snipping Tool is to come back to this window and click the Get button that will be available for you. And after that, for changes to take place, just restart your computer. So this was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.